Welcome to this update. Today's a very crazy day in terms of areas because we have 3 areas of marginal risk and 1 area of slight risk of severe weather. So 2% tornado from West Texas to New Mexico, and that can include parts of northern Mexico too, so be aware there as well. Damaging wind threat, an area in northern Michigan, including southern Canada, and parts of North Dakota, parts of Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, and from West Texas to central New Mexico there. Hail threat, just in 15% in Texas, 5% in New Mexico and Texas, and 5% in Ohio and Pennsylvania and West Virginia. So be aware today. Let's see how this might play out. So we have the HUR here. We can see some storms firing in Texas there. And wait, here, May 11th, we can see some storms in New Mexico there in Texas, and some in western Pennsylvania there, and eastern Ohio, and some areas there. And I'm not seeing much there in northern Minnesota and Canada and North Dakota, but it shows by Tuesday, Sunday, there might be some rain there and maybe some storms. But you saw the storm prediction center with that marginal just for winds. It's just for some damaging winds there. So in this afternoon there might be some bigger storms in Texas there and New Mexico, so be aware. And some snow in parts of Colorado too, and maybe northern New Mexico, and some rain in parts of the East Coast there because of that system of Pennsylvania and Ohio. Poof. So let's see the next few days. Tomorrow a marginal in Texas, Oklahoma, and parts of Louisiana. Tornado at 2% there. Wind and hail 5% in those areas. Isolated severe thunderstorms are possible from eastern Texas Panhandle to central southeastern Texas and far southwest Louisiana on Sunday. So let's see Monday. Monday is kind of interesting. They have a slight risk on Monday from Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, and a 15% probabilistic and even a hatched area there in Texas and Louisiana. So severe thunderstorms are possible Monday from central and east Texas into lower Mississippi Valley. So be aware there on Monday of some severe storms. We'll monitor for any changes there. So let's just see some things here. Where is it? Some temperature outlooks, because we are above average in many areas of the country, including Florida there into the 90s and parts of southern Texas and the west coast. But then the 8 through 14 day outlook shows some below average in the Pacific Northwest and continuing above average in the south and northeast there. So let's see some high temperatures here. Day 1, some 90s in Florida, and even the California Valley, some 90s. Parts of southwestern Arizona too. Now day 2, maximum temperatures. It shows even 100 in southwestern California, southwestern Arizona too. Actually southeastern California, 90s and 80s in Florida. So there might be some heat advisories there in southeastern California, but this is just a forecast. So day 3 max temperatures, it is still showing like 101 parts of southwestern California, 99 parts of Arizona there. So be aware, very above average.